Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install and set up remote desktop on Linux Mint so you can easily access your system from another PC, including Windows. And the best part, this setup only takes a couple of minutes. Let's jump right in. First, let's update our system to make sure everything is fresh and ready. Linux Mint doesn't ship with remote desktop enabled by default, so we're going to install XRDP, which adds full remote desktop protocol support. This installs the service and sets it to automatically start. To make sure XRDP is running, type the following command. If you see active running, you're all set. If not, you can start it manually. Just replace status with restart or start. You need to know the IP address of your machine. Just run this command, and if you've enabled the firewall on your Linux Mint system, you need to allow the RDP port. That's port 3389. Now just log out and you can connect remotely. On Windows, open the Remote Desktop Connection app. Enter your Linux Mint IP address and press connect. You'll see the XRDP login screen. Enter your Linux Mint username and password, and boom, you're in. And that's it. You now have remote desktop fully installed and working on Linux Mint. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.